Hi everyone! In today's video, Raga will tell you a story about her daily routine. You'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. This will also be a great opportunity for you to practice and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Raga. My day starts early because I'm a morning person. I usually get up around 5:30 a.m. after my alarm clock wakes me up and take a moment to meditate. Meditation helps me relax deeply and calm my mind. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I get dressed in my favorite clothes, preferring to wear something comfortable. Then I go to the dining room to have breakfast. When I get there, I always find my mum preparing breakfast for us in the kitchen. My parents and I have breakfast together, and my favourite drink is fresh orange juice. After breakfast, I check my timetable and get ready for school. I take the metro, which is very crowded in the morning. At school, we have different classes like science, math, and history. History is my favourite subject because it helps me learn about the past and understand how things have changed over time. We have 5 history periods each week. At lunchtime, I eat with my friends in the school cafeteria. We talk and laugh, and sometimes we share our food. In the afternoon, I continue with my classes. When school is over, I go home. Once I arrive, if teachers have given us homework, I do it first as I want to finish early. Dinner is at 7 p.m. Mum always surprises Dad and me with a dessert at dinner. My favourite dessert is cheesecake. After dinner, I relax for a bit, either playing games or reading a book. I usually go to bed early, around 9 p.m. I change into my pyjamas, brush my teeth, and then get into bed and turn off the lights. I fall asleep quickly. However, I sometimes stay up late on weekends to watch my favourite movies. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to get more of our lessons.